you have 5 minutes to spend in Denver, start with breakfast at Denver Biscuit Company. These giant sandwiches will keep you full all day. Next, take a scenic drive up the mountain. Stop to take in the view along the way. Once I got to the summit, I checked on the markets, completed a trade at 10,000 feet, and then enjoyed the views. Head back down the mountain just before the rain starts. Grab a beer at an outdoor bar while waiting for a brewery tour to start. We picked the tour at Denver's oldest brewery or beer maker. This place was cool. It had a giant metal gorilla in the lobby, a picture of this guy, and an awesome game floor upstairs. We tried a lot of the drinks, and I would highly recommend the Bob Father. Check out a dispensary for research, then take a much needed nap. Wake up and check out a rooftop bar overlooking Denver. Enjoy the views and the drinks. Time to drive to dinner, but not before stopping for geese. Root Down was the recommended spot in the city. It got rave reviews online and with the locals. Now head to the coolest place in Denver. If you're having trouble with your axe throw, get some beers from the bar and you'll see some improvement. If you still need to level up your axe game, walk across the street to the dispensary for research.
Bullseye! 100 subscribers if you hit the target.
Bullseye! Grab some dinner at Illegal Pete's and enjoy. That's Denver in 5 minutes.